No need to keep attendance again. If you have any query, then you can write in chat box. So what I thought that I better discuss this problem today, and then from next day I will start the DS part, array operations. And I have already declared that no need to give the attendance again. Okay, so you have given the attendance in the first class, no need to give it again. And from the I have already declared that next day, that is on 11, I will take one quiz up to this. But whatever I have covered up to this, I will take a quiz on this portion. Okay, so it will start from 2:15 up to 2:45, and after 2:45 we will meet to start our class. Okay, so today better I will discuss this problem because this problem is very interesting. I'm telling you, no need to give the attendance again. If you already given in the first class, no need to give it again. So how many of you solved this problem? See, I know that this type of online class is not good. Even I am not means feel comfortable in these classes. I am always believe that physical class in front of students are better. Disconnected due to network problem after we started union. Okay, I will send the video. Smita, I will send the video, no problem. Actually, union is used if there is a means shortage of memory. The since in case of structure, all the members having its own memory. So if there is such variables which are not required, means there is an option. Among this option, you have to select ultimately one. Then no need to allocate memory for all the options. Only one memory will be allocated finally. So in those cases where there is a shortage of memory, you can't access all the members simultaneously. In those type of situation, we go for union. So I have given one example that when we are selecting the gender, when we are filling up a form, we select the gender. So there are different options, but ultimately you have to select only one. So no need to allocate memory for all the options. Only one memory is enough. So this type of option things are implemented using union, but other things are implemented using structure because they need individual memory location. That is the use of union. So the basic difference between structure and union is already known. In case of structure, all the members having its own memory location, but in case of union, only the member having the highest memory requirement will be allocated. Then in case of structure, you can access all the members simultaneously, but in case of union, you cannot access all the members simultaneously. So these are the two difference between structure and union. Okay, so how many of you solved this problem? Pratik, there is Pratik, uh, uh, then Shumon, Hongkong. So I don't know them physically, but only by name. Sometimes name are not visible. Sometimes Redmi or Galaxy 7. So it is very tough without any uh, means physical interaction between student. I feel also bored sometimes, and I know you also feel bored because in class environment you are able to talk with your friends. You are means it is a different environment. Even I am not able to see those beautiful ladies or handsome guys or students. So this is very means disappointing for me. So if you have solved this problem, please. So Devan Saha, you have solved this problem. Anyone else? I think one day we will at least open, uh, means we will open our this video and at least see our faces. You have seen my face, but I have not seen your faces. Anyone else? And another very interesting trend I am seeing, that day by day the attendance is decreasing. So it may be due to this virtual classes. Sir, I was present in your class on Devan. Yes, I have given this attendance, Devan. No problem. I give you a reply, na? That done. Hong Kong, have you solved this problem? This one? No response. Okay. No, sir. Okay, let's. So, Pratik, have you solved this problem? Is Pratik there? Okay. So let's. So remember, for this type of problems, when there is a pointer connection and there is a khichdi of different operators, I've made a khichdi, hodgepodge of all these operators. So try to draw the picture first. That is the most important thing. So if I start with this, so there are first str, this str, it is array of pointers. So I'm drawing it like this, array of pointers. So this is my str. Okay, in str, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3. In str 0, it is pointing to Viru, Virendra Sehwag. Then the null character. Then it is Amit. Okay. Then it is Sita. So these are random names. Then Rima. Okay. So if you assume this is a 2D array, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the index values. Okay, let us assume that this one starting with index value 100, this Viru. So this one, since these are characters, so this is 101, this is 102, 103, 104. Then assume this one as 105, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one 110. Okay, so this one 115. So what is in this position? So 100. That's why it is pointing to this. What is in this position? 105. What is in this position? 110. What is in this position? 150. So my str is done. Now let us assume this memory location having some addresses. So let this first one having 200, then 202, then 204, then 206. Okay, these are the address of the str memory locations. This block having address 200, this one, then this one 202, this one 204, this one 206. Okay, similarly the next one, it is array of pointer to pointer. So again I am drawing a picture like this, which is P. Okay, now what are the values? See, the first element, 0 element. So this is 0 element, 1, 2, 3. What is in 0 element? str plus 3 means this one, str plus 3, this one. So what is the address of str plus 3? 206. So 206 is here. So that's why it is pointing to this. Okay, then this one having 204, that's why it is pointing to this. Then 202, this one pointing to this. Then 200, this one pointing to this. Okay, now suppose this P having some addresses. So let the address of P, the first element 300, then the 302, 304, 306. Okay, so for this block the address is 300. For this block 302, this block 304, this block 306. Now I have another pointer P T, which is pointer to pointer to pointer. So this is P, sorry, this is PT. And what is the value in PT? The value in PT is array name. See, P is the array name. Array name means the base address. What is the base address? 300 is the base address. So there is 300. That's why PT is pointing to this. So this is your given picture. Okay. Now start with the first. What is written in first expression? Plus, plus, star, plus, plus, star, star, PT, plus, plus. Okay. So we have already seen that these are all unary operators. And unary operators having same precedence, so it will be checked for associativity, and the associativity is from right side to left side. Correct? You can check it from your book, C book. In the end of the book, there will be a table for operators, precedence and associativity. Okay. Now, since this one is post increment, so it will be executed at the end. And we have already seen star P plus plus means first star P, then the plus plus will be act on P variable. Okay, so same for this case. So I will perform this one first. So step by step. First star PT, the first star. So what is in PT? 300. So it means star 300 means value at 300. What is the value at 300? 206. So I will get 206. So one star done. Then the next star. So another star. So star. So what is the meaning of this star? Value at 206. What is 206? This is 206. Value at 206. It is 115. So I will get 115 here. Okay. So this star done. Now plus plus. Plus plus means increment. So it means now 115 will be increased like this, plus plus. So there is a plus plus. So plus plus increase means 115 value will be modified to 116. Why? Because it is pointing to character values. If it is not character value, it will be modified by 2. If it is integer value, since it is character value, so it will be modified by 1. So it means this. So 115 plus plus 115 means plus plus x. It is x equal to x plus 1. Na? So this value will be modified to 116. Okay. So I will get 116. Next, there is another star. Another star means value at 116. What is the if this is 115, then this is 116. So value at 116 is I. So I will get I from there. Okay. Then there is another plus plus. So plus plus on I. Correct? So plus plus on I means I is the character form. So it will be modified to its ASCII value, and plus plus means it becomes J character. So this I becomes J. and up to this there is no other thing. So in character form it will print in character form in sorry what happened? So in character form it will print J, and remember this value I is also modified to J, this address also modified to 116. So my first printf done. Is it okay or I should repeat? Okay, check it. So it will be executed right to left in this format, in this way. Okay, so first pt star. What is in pt? 300. Star pt means value at 300. What is in 300? 206. So I will get 206. Then next star. So star 206. What is in 206? So this is 206 memory location. What is in 206? 115. So I will get 115. Now plus plus. Plus plus means 115 will be modified. Now see, what is 115? 115 is pointing to one character. So if I increase it, it will modify to 116. If it is pointing to integer, it will be modified by 2 bytes. But since it is pointing to integer, character, that's why it is increased by one value. Logic clear? Then again star means value at 116. So if this is 115, then it will be 116. So value at 116 is I. So I will get I character. Then I am performing again plus plus. So I, its ASCII value will be modified and it will be J. So now J will be replaced here because plus plus X is always like this. Whatever value is in X will be modified by 1. Okay. So finally this character will be printed. So the output is J. Okay. Now move into the next. In next, what is written? It is written plus plus star minus minus star plus plus p t plus 1. Okay. Now see, there is one post increment. So when after printing this J, when compiler will move into the next statement, this plus plus will be executed on pt. So now pt plus plus will be executed. Then what will happen? pt will increase to 302. So now pt is pointing to this location, not in this location. Logic clear? Now I will execute this one. So again, there is a binary operator. These are all unary operator. So first precedence is unary operator. These are all unary operators. So this will be executed again from right to left. So first this part, then the plus. Okay. So now first plus plus pt. So what is plus plus pt? Plus plus pt means pt is modified to next position. So now 302 it becomes 304. Now pt is pointing to this. Very clear? So I will get 304. Then the star. So star at 304, the value at 304. What is in 304? 202. So I will get 202. Okay. Then minus minus. So again minus minus x means x equal to x minus 1. So 202 now is minus minus. So 202 now becomes 200. Is it clear? So it means no more it is pointing to this. Now this location is pointing to this. Okay. So I will get 200 from this. Clear? Then star. So value at 200. What is the value at 200? This is 200 location. Value at 200 is 100. So I will get 100. Then again plus plus. So 100 is plus plus. See 100 is, say the 100 is, what is 100? 100 is a location of a character. So 100 plus plus means it will be modified to 101. So this 100 is now modified to 101, means it is pointing to this I, no more to V. Very clear. Similarly, this one is pointing to this, no more to R. So now it is pointing to this. Since this is 100, so this is 101. Okay. Now I am adding. So up to this done. Now I am adding plus 1. So it becomes 102. So if this is 101, then it becomes 102. So R. So what I will get? I will get address. Here I am getting some value. Here I am getting some address. Logic clear? So that's why it is in star S string. So what will print? It will start printing for R, U, then null. So the output for this is R, U. Am I clear? Is it clear to all? Okay, again. So I'm starting with this. Okay, now already PT is modified. The initial value of PT is 300. So PT plus plus means now it becomes 302. Now when this equation is starting, the first it is a pre-increment for PT. So PT is now modified to 304. I am getting 304. Then a star. So value at 304. What is the value? So this is 300, 302, 304. Value at 304 is 202. So I will get 202. Then the minus minus. So what is minus minus x? X equal to x minus 1. So whatever value is in x, that will be minus and new value will be stored in this location. So what is in this location? 202, which is minus minus. So it becomes 200. So it means no more this is pointing to this. Now it is pointing to this. Okay. So now I will get 200. Then there is a star. So value at 200. Value at 200 is what is in 200 location? This 200 location. So value at 200 is 100. So I will get 100. Then a plus plus. So again 100 will be modified. Now how 100 will be modified? Since 100 is pointing to a character, so 100 will be modified by 1. So I will get 101. And this location element will be modified to 101. So it is pointing to I, not V. Clear? Now again, after this operation, I am adding 1 with this. So plus 1. This is not plus plus. This is only plus 1. So now 101 becomes 102. If this is V is 100, I is 101, R is 102. So ultimately from this equation, I am getting an address. From this equation, I am getting some value, character. That's why in case of first equation, I have written %C. But in this equation, I am getting some address. That's why I am using %S. So it will print from 102 until null character. So it will print R and U. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Next one. So write it here. So next one is star PT -1 plus 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 2. Okay. Now first try to solve this one because this is a post increment. So try to solve this one. Okay. Now see this one having higher precedence than this one. So first this array will be executed. It means PT -1 will be executed first. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of A of I? The meaning of A of I is star of A plus I, correct? So PT -1 will be star of PT -1. So what is the value in PT? 304 minus 1 means now again it becomes 302. It means it is pointing to this location. Okay, so I will get star 302. Correct? Now what is 302? What is the value? Value at 302, it is 204. So from there I will get 204. So this part is executed. Now this is post increment, so I will not execute it here. Okay. Then a plus 2. So 204. This is 204. So plus 2 means, oh sorry, there is another star. Sorry, I missed this star. Okay. So after this, I will get 204. So now this star. So star 204. It means value at 204. What is the value in 204? It is 110. So from this equation, I will get 110. Clear? Now 110 means this one. So then plus 2. So 110 is the array base address. Plus 2 means 0, 1, 2. So it will start from this location. So what I am getting one address, 102. So since it is an address, so it will be printed in string format. Correct? Now string format means it will print from T until null character. So the output of this will be TA. Okay. Now when this thing is done, now this plus plus will be executed. Now where this plus plus will be executed? Now this plus plus will be executed in on this, see, star P plus plus, on which this plus plus will be executed on P. So here plus plus will be executed on PT minus 1. On this plus plus will be executed. Now PT minus 1 is 302. So now 302 is, not 10, so 204 star PT. This PT minus 1 is star PT minus 1. So means 204. So 204 is modified. So whatever value is in 204, now it is modified by plus plus. So it becomes 206. Very interesting. So it means no more it is pointing to this. Now it is pointing to this. Very clumsy scenario. Okay. So let's check any query from the students. TA, correct. Are you? Very good, Pratik. Sir, there is only one star. Where? Which one, uncle? See, star PT minus 1. Now PT minus 1 is star PT minus 1 because A of I is star A plus I. So PT minus 1, what is the meaning of PT minus 1? PT minus 1 is star PT minus 1. There is another star outside, na? So that's why I have to put the star. Okay? Yes, sir. Good. Are you? 102. Second output, second output is are you, not Amit. Okay. So I hope the picture is clear now. No? So the next one, this one. So this is how to execute this is very interesting. See, minus 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 1. So I know I have make a khichdi which is not digestible because so many operators. So first thing, only this part. How to implement this? Now see, we already know that A of I is equal to I of A. No? I have already proved this. So what is the meaning of this? Now see, there are two array operators and one bracket operator. So this bracket operator, array operator having the same precedence. If you check in your precedence table, bracket and subscripted operator having same precedence. And then you have to check for associativity, and associativity is from left to right. So first this part will be executed. So this is almost like this. -1 arrow PT is almost like I of A. Then I of A means star A plus I. So how to implement this? Star PT -1. That's all. Okay. First you have to perform this. Then there is a -2. So it is nothing but a 2D array concept. Okay. So then this means it will be star PT -1 -2. Are you getting? What is the meaning of this? A of I j. How to write it? Star A of I plus j. Now what is A of I? A of I is again star A plus I plus j. So this is happening in here also. So now how to understand what is the value? So PT is now 202. So picture becomes very clumsy. So PT is 202. So PT -1 means PT. So I have performed one PT -1. So PT is still 3004. Sorry, this is a mistake. PT is just PT -1 is PT. See, in this case, PT is not modified. PT -1 means I am getting 302. So it is still 304. It is not changed. Okay, so this is a mistake. Okay, now, so again here is PT -1. So PT -1 means I will get 302. Then star 302 star means what is now in 302? 206 means star, this means 206 -2. 206 means this one. -2 means 204. So I will get from there, I will get 204. Then another star outside. Star. So what is in 204? 110. So from there I will get, 206 minus 2 means 206 minus 2 means 2 into 2, na? So it becomes 202. 206 minus 2. It is a pointer arithmetic. So minus 2 means 2 into 2. So it becomes 202. So this is 202. Okay. Now star, this star. Star 202 means value at 202. What is the value? 105. Okay. So now I will get 105. Then I am performing a minus minus here and a plus 1 here. So it is still, so minus minus means 105 becomes 104, and then plus 1 means again 105. So ultimately I am getting an address. What is the address? The address 105, this one. So now it will print in string. So it will print in 105 starting from A until the null character. So output will be Amit. Okay. I hope you can understand. Now you can do this. Okay. Now if PT, so it means PT minus 3. So what is PT minus 3? PT minus 1 is okay. PT is now 304. PT minus 3 means 304. Here. 1, 2, so it will go outside the array. So it will print, obviously it will print garbage value. because pt minus 3 is outside the array. It is going outside the array. Okay, so that's why it will print some garbage value. So I hope you have understand these things. I will send the video, so see the video again and again so that you can understand the meaning. And in on 11 there will be on one quiz, not very tough like this, but not it will be in your standard. You can, I think you can able to solve those problems. But I am still surprising why the attendance is decreasing. Either my class is not good enough, or it may be due to this virtual classroom. I don't know, but it is the car ways. If you see the car ways monotonously decreasing like this, so which is not a better thing, not a good thing. So if you are not like my class, then please suggest me something so that I can improve my presentation or class also. So this is a request to all the students. And with this, I'm ending today's class. And again, I'm saying one day we should come with our video in on mode and at least see our faces. That is, I think it is required, because otherwise I am not able to know who is who. Only the name is not enough. Sometimes names are Redmi and Galaxy 7s like this. Okay, so goodbye. I'm ending this session. Yeah, topic of quiz is all those things that I have covered. So there will be some if, else, switch case, for loop, then this pointer things, all those things. Okay. हाँ, array वाला symbol में start. Yeah, we have Varun, we have shown this in our previous classes that a of I is star a plus I. That is the representation of array in a form of pointer. Okay. 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 Bye.